Success in life. What it means and how to achieve it. Success in life means different things to different people. For some, it's achieving financial independence. For others, it's about making a difference. Whatever your definition of success, certain principles can help you achieve it. 1. Set clear goals. To achieve success, you need a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Please write down your goals and break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. 2. Take action. Once you have set your goals, take action towards achieving them. Procrastination is the enemy of success, so take the first step toward your goals today. 3. Learn from failure. Failure is a part of the journey toward success. Don't be discouraged by it. Instead, learn from your mistakes and use them to improve your approach. 4. Focus on continuous improvement. Success is not a one-time event. It's a journey that requires continuous improvement. Focus on developing your skills and becoming the best version of yourself. 5. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you surround yourself with significantly impact your success. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who will encourage and motivate you. 6. Embrace challenges. Challenges are opportunities for growth and development. Embrace them and use them to push yourself out of your comfort zone. 7. Practice gratitude. Success is not just about achieving your goals. It's also about being grateful for what you have and appreciating the journey towards your goals. In conclusion, success in life is achievable if you set clear goals, take action, learn from failure, focus on continuous improvement, surround yourself with positive people, embrace challenges, and practice gratitude. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination, so enjoy the ride.